2, it's continuation version of A1. In my A2, I have like a onboard tutorial for interaction. Uh, First look is just a simple key, move, look, space to jumps, and then continuous forms, how to transform by clicking the key, and then how to ride a scooter, how to pick up the cat color, and also when you pick up the cat color, something magical will happen, and the box is just normal, it's just pick up, and then so for the first interaction, the object is the scooter. So the scooter is only rideable for a viewer when they in human forms. They cannot do it in the cat form. So let me change to cat form first, and then go to the scooter, a bit too close, and click E to ride, but it cannot. And M, click E again, cannot. But if I go back to human and I look at the scooter and I click E, I can ride the scooter. So I can ride around, and this the tutorial that I'm using the scooter, and then quit, and then go back. Another interactive object is, I'm sorry, the my computer is a bit lagging. So next interactive is the box. So if I click on the box, I will pick it up, and then I release it and drop it. However, I also can change the scale of the box. So I'll click it, and I click on minus to decrease the scale, and plus to increase the scale. And I drop it again. And last is the color, the cat color. The cat color is when you click on the cat color, you will become a cat. So for example, click on the cat color. Yep, we got the cat color, and then when we also can rescale this and upscale this, and then when we release it by clicking left click again, we come back to become a human. And now color is here where we drop it. And then this is so when you can see when the viewer rotating around, the vignetting happen. This vignetting happen, as you can see. The computer is lagging, so sorry about that. And then can scale, as I said. They can scale into human form, cat form, and in cat form, everything is like the time around is run faster, and also the cats run faster. And then go back to macro, which is super small. Everything around is like slower, and then however when it's run is a bit like fast. And then go back to human, everything go back to normal, and the movement is normal, and the speed of time also normal. And then uh so for the box, when you viewer in human form, they can pick it up. However, in cat form, they cannot do that. Let me go to the cat box. Where's the box? The box. Yes. So if I go to the box, I cannot. I try to click it, but I cannot. However, if I transform into microphone, so microphone, instead of pick it up, I can push the box. Push the box. Yeah, like that. Push the box. And then go back to human. And I think that should be everything for my A2 and what I implement for A2. Thank you so much. And